Hello! So today I'm going to be talking about facial cupping for Skin Tip Sunday. I'm going to use the little ones and the medium sized ones to do facial cupping on myself. The point of facial cupping is lymphatic drainage, and it also helps with circulation. It helps with fine lines and wrinkles, and then like depuffing under eye area to plump up your lips. It also helps with product absorption, so if you do your facial cupping, you could do it with like an oil. I'm going to just use like a beauty oil I found at Ulta. You can do like a serum that's good for your skin that you choose, that you already have in your routine, and you can just do the facial cupping with it. It also stimulates the collagen and elastin in your face, so this can keep you looking young forever and ever. I don't know if that's completely true, but I'm sure going to do it and see what it does for me over a long period of time. I'm going to start with my beauty oil. I'm going to take the little dropper, put drops on my face, and I'm going to rub it all in. I want a lot of slip and glide, so I'm really oily right now. So I'm going to start with my small one. I'm just going to start on the jawline and work my way up. I'm going to do this 3 times on both sides of my face, and then I'm going to switch to the larger one and do the same thing. You can also do it on the forehead. I'm working a little slower so I can get these deep wrinkles out. I'm also going to show you how I use the small one on my lips. So I just suction and then go around the border of my lips and the bottom to make it look pouty. And that's a quick example of how you do facial cupping. You can do it right before your makeup or right before bed. I would do it before I put makeup on because then your skin looks nice and plump. You get these bags from under your eyes nice and plump. You don't have these lines settling right here. You can plump up your lips. Your skin just looks more glowy and healthy, and I love it. So this is my first video for Skin Tip Sunday. I'm going to be doing these every Sunday and giving you little tips and tricks about your skin and products that I like, products that I try and maybe I don't like, so you don't waste the money on them. Different kind of facial treatments that we do here at the beauty bar, and also ones you could do at home. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. Please leave suggestions of what you guys would like to see, and we'll see you next Sunday. Bye guys!